Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto crane. Let's try it Smith-Morra here. I'm hoping G6 here plays H4 idea that I played recently and over the board. Can I do this? Probably this is nothing for me. Nothing much. Nothing much at all. But I mean, you know, sometimes just getting the opponent out of the book is handy. F3 and G4 later. Can I do this? Not too comfortable here. Get the queen away from my king. Am I going to get a chance for F3 and G4? There is knight C5 to think about. I don't know if taking there is so good. I'm trying to open up some lines here. I can take and then take here. I'm going to do that actually. And I'm giving away that nice bishop. But I think it might be more important to open up that G file here. Oh, you can't take because of Queen E6. Oh well. Yeah. I'm not sure. It was the most instructive game of chess I ever played. It was just, I don't know, just having fun with this line and with H4 though. Got a chance to play it. So, yeah, I think you should just take it, not be scared. Although it gives it as okay for white. If this right there, that's on the queen, yeah. Okay, so this is okay for black, yeah. All right, so but the way to play it. Yeah? What's this doing? No, nuance, kicking the queen away. Ah, there's a lot of nuances. And winning the exchange over there, how weird. Do I get this position at all? But why does the queen want to go to it goes there? There. I think this is too dangerous for black. Alright, it looks dangerous. This looks bad news, yeah. I think he's busted here anyway. It's now say he took here and say he took here. It looks as though his king is falling apart. That's the problem with this position. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.